Speak English with coffee.
Today, everyday English phrases.
Hello, and welcome back. I'm Mia, and I am so happy you are here with us today.
And I'm Sam. It's so nice to see you again.
Today, we want to talk about chatting in English. We want to help you talk with people in an easy, friendly way.
Here is a small thing. In a school book, English can look hard. It has long words and long sentences.
That is true. But real English is not like that. When people talk, they use small, simple words.
Yes, exactly. You do not need big words. You only need a few easy phrases, and we use them again and again.
And a chat does not need to be long. A few friendly words can make a person feel happy.
That is so true. A friendly good morning or a kind how are you is enough.
So today, you will learn 5 simple words and some easy phrases for a real chat.
And you do not need to do anything. You can just relax and listen with us.
And if you enjoy these easy chats, you can subscribe. It helps other learners find us too.
So let's begin. Mia, can you tell me about a chat you had this week?
Sure, I would love to. Yesterday, I met my new neighbor. She is the person who lives near me in my building.
Oh, how nice. And what happened? Did you talk to her?
Yes, we had a short, friendly chat. Chat means to talk in an easy, friendly way. We did not use big words. We just talked, and we smiled.
That is lovely. What did you say to her?
Well, first I said, "Hi, how are you?" It is a simple, friendly start.
Oh, nice. And what did she say back to you?
She said, "I'm good, thank you. And you?" It was a kind and easy reply.
Reply. What does reply mean, Mia?
Reply means to answer someone. So when she answered me, that was her reply. A good reply is short and kind.
That is nice. So you said hello, and she replied. The chat started.
Yes. Then I said my name. I said, "I'm Mia. I live in number 5.
Oh, good. And did she tell you her name, too?
Yes. She said, "I'm Carla. Nice to meet you." So now we know each other.
That is lovely. A name is a kind, friendly thing to share.
It is. Then we talked about the weather. I said, "It is a beautiful day."
Oh, the weather. People talk about the weather a lot. It is a friendly, easy start.
They do. It is an easy, safe thing to talk about. Everybody can talk about the sun and the rain.
That is so true. So what else did you talk about?
She had 2 heavy bags, so I said, "Can I help you?" And I carried 1 bag for her.
Oh, that is so kind. A small, kind act makes a chat feel friendly.
It does. We talked all the way to her door. It was easy and it was friendly.
That is so nice. And how did you feel after the chat?
I felt happy. A small, kind chat is a lovely way to start the day. Now I have a new friend in my building.
That is wonderful. And how did your chat end?
At the end, I said, "It was nice to meet you. Have a good day." And she said the same.
That is a lovely little chat. Hello, the weather, a kind act, and goodbye. So simple.
Yes, and every word was small and easy. That is real English.
So, I think this is important. To chat well, you do not need many big words.
That is so true. You only need a few common words. Common means many people use them. We say them every day.
Those sound easy. Can you give me some common words, Mia?
Sure. Hi. How are you? Really? That's nice. Me too. These are common, and we use them all the time.
Oh, I know all of those. They are so easy.
Yes, you already know them. And these common little words are enough for a whole chat.
That is great. Can you give me a few more common phrases?
Sure. Thank you. No problem. See you later. Take care. We say these every day.
Oh, those are lovely. They are short and they are so kind.
Yes, and here is a nice idea. You do not need new words. You can use the easy words you already have.
That is a happy thought. So you are almost ready. You already have the words you need.
Exactly. You do not need a lot of words. You need a few common words and a kind smile.
And here's one more thing. Your grammar does not need to be perfect.
That is so true. If you make a small mistake, that is okay. People understand you, and they are kind.
Yes, a friendly chat with a few mistakes is much better than no chat at all.
Exactly. The first hello is the most important one. After that, the chat is easy.
And tell me, does it matter how you say the words?
Oh, yes. A warm voice is very important. People can hear that you are kind, even on the phone.
That is so true. A kind voice makes simple words feel lovely.
It really does. When I smile, my voice sounds happy too. And then people smile back at me.
And Mia, I want to add one more thing here. A good chat is not only about talking.
Oh? What do you mean, Sam?
Well, a good chat is also about listening and showing that you agree.
That is a nice word. What does agree mean, Sam?
Agree means to say yes, you think the same. So when your friend says something nice, you can say, I agree, or me too.
Oh, that is so true. When you agree, the other person feels happy.
Yes, and it is so easy. You can just say, you're right, or I think so too.
Those are lovely. And when you are surprised, what can you say?
Oh, you can say, really? Or, wow, or that's so funny. Small words show you are listening.
I love that. A little, really? Makes the other person want to say more.
Yes, exactly. People love a good listener.
That is so true. And what else makes a good chat, Sam?
You can mention a small thing about your day. Mention means to say a thing quickly, in a few words.
Oh, like what? Can you give me an example?
Sure, you can mention your weekend. You can say, I saw a good movie on Saturday. It is small, but it is friendly.
I love that. When you mention a little thing, the other person can ask about it.
Exactly, and then you have more to talk about. The chat goes on, nice and easy.
And Sam, what if you do not understand the other person?
Oh, that is okay. You can say, sorry, can you say that again? It is polite and people are happy to help.
That is so useful. You do not need to feel shy. Everybody asks that sometimes.
Yes, and you can also ask the other person a question. People love to talk about themselves.
Oh, like, how was your weekend? That is a nice, easy question.
Exactly. Easy questions keep the chat going.
That is true everywhere. And do you chat with people at work, Sam?
Oh, yes, every day. In the morning, I say, good morning, how are you? It is small, but it is friendly.
That is lovely. A small chat at work makes the day nicer for everybody.
It does. We are all happier when we are kind to each other.
That is so true. A small, me too, a small question, a small story. That is a real chat.
I love these tips. And is it okay to chat with a person you do not know?
Oh, yes. You can chat with anybody. At the bus stop, you can say, the bus is late today.
That is so true. Everybody agrees the bus is always late.
Exactly. And then you have a little chat with a new person. A small, happy moment in your day.
That is a happy thought. And do the same easy words work online too?
Oh, yes. Online, you say the same friendly things. On your phone, you can write, Hi, how are you?
That is true. A kind word is lovely on the phone, and in real life too.
It is. So you can make friends near you, and far away, too.
That is so nice. A few small friendly words can help you meet good people.
They really can. English is not about big words. It is about kind, simple talk.
So a good chat is simple and kind. You just need to be friendly.
That is so kind and so true. A simple chat with a smile is always enough.
I agree, Mia. Small words and a big smile. That is how you chat like a friend in real, everyday English.
Well, this was a lovely chat about chatting. Let's look again at the 5 words from today.
Good idea. They are all useful words for an easy chat.
First, chat. Chat means to talk in an easy, friendly way. I had a nice chat with my neighbor.
Next, reply. Reply means to answer someone. A good reply is short and kind.
Then, common. Common means many people use it. How are you? Is a common phrase.
After that, agree. Agree means to say yes. You think the same. When I agree, I say, me too.
And last, mention. Mention means to say a thing quickly, in a few words. You can mention your weekend.
5 good words, and they are all useful. You can use them today.
Now we have one small question. Which phrase will you use first in your next chat? Tell us in the comments.
We read every single comment, and we would love to hear from you.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. It was so nice to chat with you.
If you enjoy these easy chats, please subscribe. Then you can join us again next time.
Next time, we will learn a fun trick. It helps you stop translating in your head and think in English.
It will be a lovely chat. We really hope you can join us.
So take good care of yourself, and we will see you next time. Goodbye for now.